Hey guys, how's it going? Rowan here from Immersion. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to let you know that I just finished packing for the trip because Immersion is going on tour in 2019. We're starting in Europe, and then from there we're going to go through the UK all the way to the US, and then through Canada, and we're going to finish back in Australia. And yeah, I just finished packing. We're going to be doing some really cool stuff this year. We're joining the Paris E-Skate World Cup. That's our first stop. After that, we're going to be going through Europe. We're going to be doing some competitions and giveaways. We got some sick merch coming. We got stickers to give out. We got prizes. And of course, we have Raptor 2.1 demos happening. And that's, you know, the main reason why we do these tours. We want people to be able to come and try our products. We're going to have Foxbox Unity there as well to check out. I'm trying to get a remote sorted, but I'm not too sure if we're going to get a prototype in time. But anyway, I'll see you on the road. Hey guys, how's it going? Rowan here. Just arrived in Amsterdam. We're about to start a ruckus in Europe. I just caught like 27 hours worth of flights to be here. Came all the way from Gold Coast, had to catch a flight from Brisbane, through Bangkok, then all the way to Vienna, and then finally to Amsterdam. So yeah, I'm really excited to be here, and I can't wait to start the tour with you guys. And yeah, just super stoked. Honestly, nothing else I have to say. I'm so keen to check out Amsterdam for the next couple of days, and then we're going straight to Paris for the first event with the It's Electric Paris E-Skate Cup, and from there we'll keep going along the tour. Antwerp, in Belgium, Berlin, and then we're even going further north than that, all the way up to Denmark. So we got Aarhus. And then the last stop up north is Sweden before we come back down and finish up in Amsterdam and London on the 28th. So it's going to be a big month. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. And yeah, can't wait. Let's go.
Of the eye. So we in Amsterdam see everything from the eye. We have the eye lake, which is like where all the ferries go.
Okay. That's where the shop is?
No.
Oh.
Fun fact. This area actually was until the 30s a place where they hang criminals.
Oh.
You know, I'm a tourist as well. Like, we're gonna be a tourist in 10 cities in the next couple of days.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. You are there?
Woo. Well, good timing.
Unpack it, Matt. Unpack it.
Yeah. That's right. Oh, nice.
Jason from Australia.
That's what he's passionate about. He wants to make